Namaste, welcome to Tecno Camon, and I have here the Tecno Camon 1, and in this video I'm going to talk about the features, tips and tricks you can do on this Camon 1. Camon 1 runs on Android Nougat 7.0 with iOS UI layered on top of it. Long press the home screen and you get the wallpapers, widgets, effects and align bottom features, so you can align the apps either in the bottom or top. You can go to the settings and in the display section you can find the eye care, which is the blue filter toggle, and you can slide it the cold temperature to warm, the one which you prefer. Camon Eye also has a pulse notification, so you can enable or disable it over here. There's a full screen mode feature, so we can choose the apps which you want to push it to the full screen, taking advantage of the 18:9 aspect ratio of this device. In the security settings you find a data protection, and you can add your data from the internal storage for better security management with the pattern or password. Camon Eye comes with a 3050 mAh battery, and in the battery power saving management settings you find an ultra low power mode, so it allows for only calls, SMS, alarm, sound recording, calculator and notepad, and all the other functions gets disabled when you are really running out of battery. And there is also a battery saver mode, so whenever the battery goes below a certain percentage it turns it on automatically. In the storage option there is a storage cleaner, so you don't need to download a separate app to clean your mobile from the unwanted files or SDL files. There is a feature called macro intelligence, so there you get sort of the gesture options and other options, so let's check it out. So there's a quick start option, so from the sleep screen you can draw a certain alphabet to launch an app directly. There is also music gestures, and there is also flip mute and tri-finger screenshot, so you can use your 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Camon Eye also supports OTG, so you can use your micro USB drive to access the files directly. Moving to the fingerprint sensor, and fingerprint sensor can be used to app lock, so you can lock the apps you want to. You can also touch the fingerprint sensor area to take a photo or accept the incoming calls. So these are the various features, tips and tricks you can do on the Camon Eye. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lakshman signing off for Tecno Camon. Have a great day. Cheers.